Welcome to our channel of Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. My name is Kajal Kulkarni and I am going to teach grade 6 English grammar. So in our last class we had learned about present perfect continuous tense. In that we had seen that the action, the beginning time of the action and the means when it ended. So the action which is being continued is called as present perfect continuous tense. The action is still going on. It started at a particular time and it is still continuously going on, or it has recently concluded, means recently the action is being completed. So in that case those sentences are present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so how is the structure of those sentences? So we use has or have plus been plus the present participle using ing form of the verb. So we had seen many examples. I have been waiting since morning. We have been doing our homework since 2 days, for 2 days. Okay, so in such case, in such sentences we use for for present perfect continuous tense we use has or have plus been plus ing form of the verb. So now we will start with the exercise part of the lesson. So let's begin. Okay, so here remember, compare these sentences. Now you have to compare these three sentences and find out the difference in these three sentences. The police are receiving many complaints about noise pollution. The police are receiving complaints about noise pollution. They are receiving. Okay, just focus on it. The police are receiving many complaints about noise pollution. Second sentence, the police have received. The police have received many complaints about noise pollution. Have received. The police have been receiving complaints about noise pollution since February. Now in these three sentences are totally different. The action, the time of action, whether it is continuous, whether it is completed or whether it is simple. So let's see the first sentence. In sentence 1, we use present continuous tense to show that the action is going on in the present. It is present continuous tense. See the sentence. The police are receiving means the police are still receiving the complaints. The complaints has not stopped. The complaints have not stopped. So the police are still receiving. The action is still continuous. It is not stopped. Okay. So in this case, this sentence is the present continuous tense. This first sentence is present continuous tense. Okay. The action has not completed. The action is still going on. Cleared? The police are still receiving. I am still receiving gifts means the gifts, the people who are giving me gift, they have not stopped. I am just continuously receiving the gifts. So this will become the present continuous tense. The police have received many complaints about noise pollution. Have received. So that will become the present perfect tense. The action has been already completed. Okay. See, in the first sentence, the action is still going on in the present. It is still going on. Presently, it is still continuous. Okay, going on. Second sentence, the action had already happened. The police have received. Means now they have stopped receiving the complaints. They have already received. So the police have received many complaints about noise pollution. Next one, the police have been receiving. See the difference, students? Are receiving, have received, have been receiving. Have been receiving means it is present perfect continuous tense. Okay, I am still receiving. The police have been receiving complaints. I am telling the time from when, the duration, okay, from when it started. Since February, I am receiving the complaints. So this difference is being explained in the explanation part. Okay, so the third sentence says that we use the present perfect continuous tense to show that the action began in the past, that is in February, and is still continuing. Okay, so that is present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense is often used to lay emphasis. Emphasize means to show importance, to put a focus on something, to emphasize on something that has been going on for a while until the present time. Okay, so this present perfect continuous tense, it is often used to show, to focus, means to give importance on something that has been going on. It is, action is still going on for a while until the present time, till the present time. Okay, now we will start with the exercise. Let us practice. It is really very easy. Fill in the blanks with the correct present perfect continuous forms of the verbs inside brackets. The first one is done for us. Mrs. Sharma has been teaching here for many years. Teach, the action word teach. So what we have to add? Here Mrs. Sharma, 1. Okay, so I am writing has plus been plus ing form of the verb. Okay, so all the sentence similarly we have to solve. Since when dash you dash in the library? What is the action word? Study. So since when have, see students, there is a question mark. So what did I explain you all? The subject will come between have and been, or has and been. So here this is interrogative sentence. So since when have you been studying? S-T-U-D-Y-I-N-G, ing form of the verb. Since when have you been studying in the library? Next, I dash for you since last evening. The action word is look. So, I have been looking for you since last evening. I have been looking for you since last evening. The tiger population. Students, see the word here. Tiger. Is it singular form or plural form? Yes, it is singular form. Means it is talking about single, right? So, the tiger population. Population means again many. But I am talking about the tiger. Okay, one tiger. So the tiger population has been steadily dash for the past few decades. Decline. decline will become declining. The tiger population has been steadily declining. You will not write E here, okay? In the verb here, D-E-C-L-I-N-E is the spelling. So you will not write E here. Instead of E, we have to continue write ing, okay? The spelling of declining will be D-E-C-L-I-N-I-G, not to write E in between that, okay? Declining for the past few decades. Fifth one, dash the players, dash all day. Again, this is interrogative form, right? So what is your players? Players means it is the plural form. So what will you start with? Has or have? Yes, very good. We have to start writing with have because we are talking about players. So players are the plural form of the noun player, okay? So have the players been practicing? P-R-A-C-T-I-S-I-N-G. Again, I have removed E from the spelling of practice. Have the players been practicing all day? Okay. Next, here in this sentence, it is interrogative sentence. So the subject, player are the subject. So the subject is between, beech mein, have and been. Have and been. Players, the subject is between these two words. Next, fill in the blanks using the prepositions for or since. Any one you have to use, for or since. If you think a blank requires no preposition, if the preposition is not required, then you have to put a X. Okay, you have to put a cross mark. First one is done for us. The show has been going on for 3 hours. The show has been going on for 3 hours. Second one, the phone has been ringing since all morning. For all morning? No. See, in the sentence we had seen that it is the time is not specified, unspecified time duration. Okay, so the phone has been ringing all morning. Okay, so here it will come X mark. I'll put it properly. It will be no preposition is required for this sentence, and as we had seen in some sentences of present perfect continuous tense, the time what we are talking about, the length of time is unspecified. Okay, so the sentence here, the phone has been ringing all morning. Okay, if it is written only morning, then I can write the phone has been ringing since morning. Okay, next page. We have been living in Ahmedabad dash 2010. We have been living in Ahmedabad dash 2010. So here will for come? I will tell you for, the preposition for will be used? No. Here they are telling us the specific time. Specific time is given that we are living in we have been living in Ahmedabad since 2010. Okay, so time duration is specified. The ice in the glacier has been melting dash the end of spring. The ice in the glacier has been melting dash the end of spring. Again, the point of action is been the time of action. So duration is explained given here, end of spring. So since preposition will be used here. We have been playing chess dash the entire afternoon. In this case, you will be writing the preposition for. Since specific time duration is not given here, we have been playing chess for the entire afternoon. Okay, we are playing for entire afternoon. Next, dash when have you been learning French? Dash when have you. Now I am asking some question, right? See here, have been, and this is the subject. So what will I write here? I want to know the time duration, right? From when you are learning French. So since when have you been learning French? Okay. Next one, dash how long have you been learning Tamil? Dash how long have you been learning Tamil? Since how long have you been learning Tamil? No, it will be for. How long? See again here, the specific time is not given, it is unspecified, right? So it will come for how long have you been learning Tamil. The traffic has been moving slower than usual dash all day today. Since all day today? No. For all day today? Specified, it is not. All day means from morning till evening, time is not specified. From all day long, okay? Long word is also not there. So, no preposition will come here. Is there anything written as long? No. Time duration from when it began, is it given? No. It is saying the traffic has been moving slower than usual all day today. Okay. Next, exercise C. Join the two sentences using present perfect continuous tense and the preposition for or since. First one is being done for us. I started learning Spanish 3 years ago. I am still learning it. Now see students, 3 years ago. The time duration is given specific. So we can use since here. I have been learning Spanish for the last 3 years. Here for the last 3 years. Okay, not since. I have been learning Spanish for the last 3 years. We started walking at 10 a.m. We are still walking. We started walking. We have been walking since 10 a.m. We started walking at 10 a.m. We are still walking. So the action was started at a particular time, that is 10, and still we are walking. The action is still continuous. So we will write the preposition since here. We have been walking since 10 a.m. Next, the planets started going around the sun billions of years ago. The planets started going around the sun billions of years ago. They are still going around the sun. So, to convert this sentence into preposition we will write the planets have been going around the sun for billions of years. The planets have been, I'll start writing from here. The planets have been going around the sun. S will be capital. The planets have been going around the sun for billions of years ago. Okay, the planets have been going around the sun for billions of years ago. Next, our teacher started teaching in this school in 2005. She is still teaching here. Our teacher started teaching in this school in 2005 and she is still teaching here. So here students, the time, the year, it is specified. Okay, it is specified. So we can write here since. Our teacher started teaching this school in 2005. She is still teaching. It is been continuous. So our teacher has been teaching in this school since 2005. Our teacher has been teaching in this school since 2005. Okay, our teacher has been teaching in this school since 2005. Fifth one, last Christmas I started planning to visit my grandparents. I am still planning. So in this we have to write, I have been planning to visit my grandparents since last Christmas. I have been planning to visit my grandparents since last Christmas. The space is very less here. I have been planning to visit my grandparents I have been planning to visit my grandparents since last Christmas. C will be capital, students. Okay, I have been planning to visit my grandparents since last Christmas. We started looking for the key half an hour ago. We started looking for the key half an hour ago. We are still looking for the key. We are still looking for the key. So in this sentence, we have been looking for the key for half an hour. We have been looking for the key for half an hour. We have been looking for the key We have been looking for the key for half an hour. For half an hour. Okay. Next, I'll turn the page. So now let's turn the page. Let us listen. Listen to the sentences carefully and match the words in column A with those in column B. First one is being done for us. Harish has been learning to play the guitar since last January. Harish, I will write numbers. No need to draw arrows, otherwise it will look very messy. Harish has been learning to play the guitar since last January. Okay. Second one, Seema has been playing a computer game. Seema has been playing a computer game. Yes, what will come? Since last evening, since morning, since the beginning of winter, or for the last 3 hours, or for quite a while. Yes, Seema has been playing a computer game for the last 3 hours. My dog has been missing. My dog has been missing since last evening. My dog has been missing since last evening. The farmers have been working in the field since morning. The farmers have been working in the field since morning. The children have been walking in the forest. The children have been walking in the forest for quite a while. And the last one, the birds have been migrating to warmer countries. Migrating means from moving from one place to other place. The birds have been migrating to warmer countries since the beginning of winter. Okay, so this was the match, wherein you had to match the sentences and make it the correct present perfect continuous tense. Now work in pairs. Students, this last let us speak, you have to do it on your own. Okay, take turns to ask and answer these questions using the present perfect continuous tense. Since when have you been taking music lessons? Since when have you been taking music lessons? So you can write, I have been taking music lessons since, then the duration. Okay. For how long have you been studying in your room? I have been studying in my room for, then the time. Okay. Since what time have you been waiting for him? Since what time have you been waiting for him? I have been waiting for him since, then you can write these sentences on your own. I am just helping you. You can write time, okay, according to your wish. Have you been learning to play the tabla for long? Have you been learning to play tabla for long? You can write for this, I have been learning to play tabla for, then the duration. Who have you been talking to since afternoon? I have been talking to, so whatever name you want to write, since afternoon. Why have you been sleeping all day? I have been sleeping all day, then the answer. Okay. Next, let us write. Now there is a blood donation camp organized in your locality at 11 a.m. this morning. Write 10 sentences. See students, the activity is to write 10 sentences about what has been happening, what is happening in the donation camp, in the blood donation camp from morning till the camp actually starts. Okay, from the time the camp started, from that time onwards till it ended. Okay, so you have to write the 10 sentences on it. People have been calling from the morning asking about how to register for the blood donation camp. This is just the beginning. You have to continue. Okay, so I will stop here. We have completed with this lesson. Soon we will meet in our next class. Till then, thank you.